In this video, we're going to learn how to produce 2D drawings, orthograph drawings using a 3D part we make. We do not like to start from the isometric draft directly. We start it from open because we are going to use a template for the assignment. We have to click on this draft document so as we can access the file. It's called the CAD assignment template file, which is downloaded from Sarilun. Then that's the file I can find, and you double click it, or just click and open, then you can open the template. After the template is opened, you click on the view wizard, and then you can find the file you want to actually put as the produce the 2D drawings. Then you select the front view by click on the common here. This is a front view. You can change the front view to that view. I want this view as my front view. Then I can close this one. Now I can select the end view, click this, and isometric view is we have to have one isometric view. So click OK. You will see 3 boxes in here. And you can change the scale before you click anywhere. Once the scale is right, you click it. Once you click it, these views are in the on the drawing paper. Then you can move them around by click and drag it. The next is to apply the dimensions and make sure it's been wholly dimensioned. You need to refer to British Standard in terms of the where and which part you can put dimension. We mentioned this one in the first part of the lecture. So we define the external diameter. This is not external diameter, it's the one created by chamfer. That's the external, yes. And then internal diameter. Okay, click when it's highlighted and drag away, and then to the proper place, click, the dimension can be fixed. So we now have 3 dimensions on this one. We haven't actually do any dimension for the chamfer. So the chamfer is very small here. It's really hard to see it unless you actually zoom in. So in order to have a small dimension or small feature to be dimensioned properly, we have to use this detail. You can see the detail view is highlighted, and then click at the place you want to place the detail view and drag it as a circle. Then you can change the scale. Right, change the scale, and also you can move to the different place, and so as you can do the dimensioning. Now we can use distance between to do the dimensions for the chamfer. Alright, before we do that, we need to actually add some prefix and suffix. So click this button. I have already put here all chamfers here, and the figures in the middle, and plus the suffix, which is multiply 45 degree. So the degree signs can be typed in or can be selected from here. For example, if I remove all of these things and do it again, 45 times 45 degree sign, then you click on OK. Move it here, click and click other line, and click it again. You'll see these all chamfers. Point 1 is automatically generated by the dimension of the drawing, plus there's a multiply 45 degree. You may notice in this view, this A, which is the detail view, the symbol noted detail view, is just overlap with the drawing. We need to actually move it a bit further away, close to this small circle. You also noted the small circle would be too small to see. So in order to actually change this one, what we need to do is we need to actually click on this one, just move this one, okay, and move the mouse close to the sketch of this one. that one, yes. Then you can actually click on the circle and you can drag the circle, make it larger. So then you can close. You can see A represents the detail view of the A on the right hand side. The next is to add more center lines here. Center line, center line. Okay, these are the essential for the drawing. After this one, we still need to actually fill the title block. To do that, we need to click on the view, click on the background, click on the working. Now you have access to these boxes. You can type in the contents here. All of these has to be in capital, uppercase. So your name there. Here, you just type in whatever been requested in the area. Here is joint number. So put as the 01. The other one is file name. This one is the name of the part name. So it's brushing. This one is a scale. Scale is not the scale showing here. A scale we actually assigned before. That is the paper size. A3 or A4. Right. That is the place for the material. So once all of these been complete, that's it for this drawing. You can save it